You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious name that is really interesting to know about. But yes, of course, you need to know how to pronounce it. It's pronounced in English as Accismus. It comes from Greek, and that's the refusal of something that you earnestly desire. So you want something really, really badly, but you refuse. Feignedly, you make it look like you don't want it. Accismus. Yes, essentially replace the double C with an X. In terms of pronunciation, it'll make a lot more sense. But yes, of course, it's spelled with a double C, but it's pronounced Accismus. How to pronounce Accismus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.